हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। तो लास्ट वीडियो में हम लोगों ने एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन तक कंप्लीट किया था एंड इस वीडियो में वी विल स्टार्ट सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन ह्यूमंस। ओके, सॉरी, लास्ट वीडियो में एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन एंड सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट्स देखा था। नाउ वी विल सी सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन ह्यूमन बींग्स। ओके, सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन ह्यूमन बींग्स देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन. So what is the question? We'll see. Which different hormones control the functions of human reproductive system through chemical coordination? Okay, so the hormones are estrogen, progesterone and testosterone. Okay, ये तीन hormones है जो human reproductive system को system का function एकदम coordination में करते हैं. Okay, these are the hormones which control the functions of human reproductive system through chemical coordination, that is estrogen, progesterone and testosterone. Okay, so next is human male reproductive system. You will see the structure of human male reproductive system. Okay, तो human male reproductive system में क्या क्या होता है? It consists of testes, various ducts and glands. Okay, it consists of what? Testes, various ducts and glands. देन टेस्टिस कहाँ पे सिचुएटेड होते हैं? दे आर इन स्क्रॉटम. ओके, स्क्रॉटम विच इज़ आउटसाइड द एब्डोमिनल कैविटी. ओके, टेस्टिस आर सिचुएटेड इनसाइड द स्क्रॉटम विच इज़ द बैग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर आउटसाइड द एब्डोमिनल कैविटी. ओके, नाउ टेस्टिस, इनसाइड द टेस्टिस इट कंटेन्स न्यूमरस सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स. ओके, टेस्टिस के अंदर क्या होता है? न्यूमरस सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स, and inside the tubules there is germinal epithelium which divides by meiosis and produces what? Sperm. Okay, is that clear? See, testes के अंदर क्या होता है? seminiferous tubules होता है. Okay, testes consist numerous seminiferous tubules and inside seminiferous tubules there is germinal epithelium which divides by meiosis and produce sperm. Okay, now sequence of tubule. What is sequence of tubule? Retitestis, vas efferens, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct and urinogenital tract. Okay, now we will see diagram of human male reproductive system in a textbook. You see here, see this bag like structure, this is urinary bladder in which urine is stored. Okay, these are the testes which are situated inside the scrotum. Bag like structure is scrotum, उसके अंदर होते हैं testes. Okay, then this one is the ejaculatory duct. Okay, then seminal vesicles, prostate gland, vas efferens, Cowper's gland, urinogenital duct, epididymis. Okay, so this is the structure of male reproductive system of humans. Okay, so see, we will see the sequence of tubules. Retitestis, vas efferens, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct and urinogenital tract. Okay, so this is the urinogenital tract in which lastly where sperms are collected and thrown out. Okay, so we'll revise it for once. See, human male reproductive system क्या होता है? human male reproductive system में testes and various ducts and glands. Okay, testes होता है उसमें, various ducts और glands. testes कहाँ पे situated रहते हैं? scrotum में. scrotum is outside the abdominal cavity. Okay, फिर testes के अंदर और क्या होता है? seminiferous tubules. testes के अंदर numerous seminiferous tubules होता है, उसके अंदर germinal epithelium होता है. then germinal epithelium का division होता है by meiosis and जर्मिनल एपिथेलियम का डिवीजन होने के बाद वो क्या प्रोड्यूस करता है? स्पर्म. ओके, एंड दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सीक्वेंस ऑफ ट्यूब्यूल, रेटिटेस्टिस, वास एफरेंस, वास डिफरेंस, इजैक्युलेटरी डक्ट एंड यूरिनोजेनिटल ट्रैक्ट. ओके, सो आफ्टर दिस सेमिनल वेसिकल्स. Seminal vesicles secrete their secretion in ejaculatory duct, whereas prostate gland and Cowper's gland secrete their secretion in urinogenital duct. Okay, see you. ये जो सेमिनल वेसिकल्स है, सेमिनल वेसिकल्स उसका सिक्रीशन कहाँ पे सिक्रीट करेंगे, इनटू दिस इजैक्यूलेटरी डक्ट, ओके। एंड दिस प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड एंड दिस काउपर्स ग्लैंड, ये जो प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड है और ये काउपर्स ग्लैंड जो है, ये अपना सिक्रीशन कहाँ पे सिक्रीट करेंगे, इनटू द urinogenital tract, means semen, okay, they will secrete their semen into urinogenital tract, clear? So semen is form of sperm and secretion of all these glands. semen कैसे form होता है, because of secretion of seminal vesicles and prostate gland and Cowper's gland. seminal vesicles, prostate gland और Cowper's glands का जो secretion है उससे क्या form होता है, semen, and from semen sperm is formed, okay. semen is ejaculated through penis, okay. तो इसके बाद नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है ह्यूमन फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम, ओके। मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम हो गया अभी, ह्यूमन फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम। नाउ सी ऑल ऑर्गन्स आर इन द एब्डोमिनल कैविटी। फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम के ऑल ऑर्गन्स आर इन द एब्डोमिनल कैविटी, ओके। इट इंक्लूड्स पेयर ऑफ ओवरीज, पेयर ऑफ ओविडक्ट, सिंगल यूटेरस, यूटेरस मतलब वूम, ओके, वजाइना, पेयर ऑफ बल्बोयूरेथ्रल ग्लैंड, ओके, पेयर ऑफ ovaries, पेयर ऑफ oviduct, single uterus, vagina and pair of bulbourethral gland. See in this diagram, it contains what, pair of ovary, okay, this is ovary, so there is pair of ovary, pair of oviduct, okay, this is oviduct which holds the ovary, okay. So oviduct को हम लोग fallopian tube भी बोल सकते हैं, okay. Single uterus, this is womb, okay, child bearing organ, this is single uterus, okay. Then vagina and bulbourethral gland is not given in this diagram, but it also contains a bulbourethral gland, okay, which secretes every month an ovum is released in the abdominal cavity alternately from each ovary. You see क्या होता है, every month हर एक अल्टरनेटली हर एक ओवरी से एक ओवम रिलीज होता है, ओवम मीन्स एग सेल, ओके। एवरी मंथ एन ओवम इज रिलीज इन एब्डोमिनल कैविटी अल्टरनेटली फ्रॉम ईच ओवरी, हर एक ओवरी से अल्टरनेटली एक ओवम या फिर एग सेल रिलीज होता है, ओके। फ्री एंड ऑफ ओविडक्ट इज फनल लाइक, ओविडक्ट मतलब फैलोपियन ट्यूब जो ओवरी को होल्ड करता है, ओके। सो दिस फ्री एंड ऑफ ओविडक्ट इज फनल लाइक, यू कैन सी हियर इट इज फनल लाइक होल्डिंग द ovary. Opening is present at the center from which the oocyte enters the oviduct, okay. Opening is present at the center from which oocyte enters the oviduct. अभी oocyte और ovum are the same thing. Oocyte is also the egg cell but it is unfertilized egg cell, okay. जो fertilize नहीं हुआ है sperm से उसको हम oocytes बोलते हैं. Enters the oviduct. Now cilia are present inside the oviduct. Now this is the oviduct. ये oviduct के अंदर cilia present रहता है. With the help of the cilia, sperm और oocytes are pushed forwards. Okay. Cilia is hair-like structure. Cilia pushes the oocytes towards the uterus. अभी ये जो इमेच्योर ओवम या फिर इमेच्योर एग सेल है उसको हम लोग oocytes बोलते हैं, राइट। तो यहाँ पे जो सीलिया प्रेजेंट रहता है वो सीलिया क्या करेगा, oocytes को कहाँ पे पुश करेगा, फ्रॉम ओवरी टुवर्ड्स द यूटेरस एंड फ्रॉम यूटेरस इट इज थ्रोन आउटसाइड द बॉडी, विच इज कॉल्ड एज मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल. We will discuss menstrual cycle further. So after this, next topic is gamete formation. Now see, both gametes, that is sperm and ovum, are formed by meiosis. Meiosis is what? Reductional division. We have already discussed meiosis. So see, both gametes, sperm and ovum, दोनों sperm और ovum. Sperm is what? Male gamete and ovum is female gamete, right? Both sperm and ovum are formed by meiosis. Sperms are produced in the testes of men from beginning of maturation, that is puberty, till death. Okay. Sperm कहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस होते हैं? इन दिस testes. Okay, sperm are produced in testes of men from beginning of puberty till death. Okay. However, in the cases of women, at the time of birth, there are 2 to 4 million immature oocytes in the ovary of female fetus. Fetus means the baby which is inside the womb. Okay, the baby which is inside the womb, उसको हम लोग fetus बोलते हैं. And after birth, it is called as baby. But when the child is inside the womb, it is called as fetus. Okay. So, in cases of women at the time of birth, बर्थ के टाइम पे देर आर 2 to 4 million immature oocytes. Okay, immature oocytes in the ovary of female fetus. An oocyte matures and it is released from ovary every month from the beginning of maturity up to the age of menopause, approximately 45 years of age. Okay, फिर उसके बाद में क्या होता है, oocytes after birth oocytes are immature. Okay, just after birth oocytes are immature, but oocytes becomes mature when the female reaches to the maturity, reaches to the pubertal age. Okay, these oocytes become mature and they are released out of the body every month from each ovary, alternately from each ovary, up to the age of menopause. Menopause का age क्या होता है, approximately 45. Menopause is what? Cessation of menstrual cycle. Okay. See, menopause is stoppage of functioning of female reproductive system. Menopause is what? Stoppage of functioning of female reproductive system. After the age of 45, usually after age of 45, there is stoppage of functioning of female reproductive system. उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, menopause. Okay. At the age of 45 to 50 years, secretion of hormone controlling the function of female reproductive system either stops or becomes irregular. Okay, 45 to 50 years के बाद में जो भी हॉर्मोन्स है, लाइक ईस्ट्रोजन, प्रोजेस्टेरोन, जो हम लोगों ने पहले डिस्कस किया था, वो हॉर्मोन्स है वो आइदर स्टॉप हो जाते हैं या फिर इरेग्युलर हो जाते हैं. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट female reproductive system becomes functionless. Okay, this is called as menopause. So see, एक बार गैमेट फॉर्मेशन वापस रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. तो गैमेट्स क्या है, मेल गैमेट इज व्हाट, स्पर्म, राइट, एंड फीमेल गैमेट इज व्हाट, ओवम, which is formed by meiosis. Okay, मेल गैमेट इज स्पर्म, फीमेल गैमेट इज ओवम. किससे फॉर्म होता है, meiosis से, राइट. स्पर्म आर प्रोड्यूस इन द टेस्टिस. स्पर्म कहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, इन द टेस्टिस. ओके, फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग ऑफ प्यूबर्टी टिल डेथ, राइट. एंड ओवम और immature oocytes, ये कब प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, दे आर प्रोड्यूस एट द टाइम ऑफ बर्थ. ओके, एट द टाइम ऑफ बर्थ कितने oocytes होते हैं फीमेल की बॉडी में, 2 to 4 million immature oocytes, right. At the time of birth in female there are 2 to 4 million immature oocytes which become mature, at the time of puberty. Okay, when the female reaches to her pubertal age, this immature oocytes become mature and are released out of the body every month, which is called as menstrual cycle. Okay, now after the age of 45 to 50 age के बाद this menstrual cycle stop और female reproductive system becomes functionless. Okay, this is called as what, menopause. Stoppage or cessation of menstrual cycle. Okay, so this is gamete formation. Let's see. In gamete formation, male gamete is sperm, female gamete is ovum, which is formed by meiosis. Okay, sperm कहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस होते हैं? टेस्टिस में. कब? एट द टाइम ऑफ प्यूबर्टी टिल डेथ. एंड ओवम्स कहाँ पे? ओवम्स फीमेल्स में प्रोड्यूस होते हैं एट द टाइम ऑफ बर्थ ओनली. एंड एट द टाइम ऑफ बर्थ के टाइम पे कितने ओवम्स प्रेजेंट रहते हैं? 2 to 4 मिलियन इमेच्योर oocytes प्रेजेंट रहते हैं. ये इमेच्योर oocytes कब मेच्योर होते हैं? व्हेन द फीमेल रीचेस हर प्यूबर्टल एज और एट द टाइम ऑफ प्यूबर्टी, विच इज कॉल्ड एज मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल. ओके, this mature oocytes are released out of the body every month alternately from each ovary, जिसको हम लोग menstrual cycle बोलते हैं. Okay, then after 45 to 50 years, female reproductive system, sorry I have written here, female reproductive system. Okay, female reproductive system become functionless, which is called as menopause. Menopause is what? Stoppage or cessation of menstrual cycle. Okay, so next topic is fertilization. Now see, formation of zygote by union of sperm and ovum is called as fertilization. Formation of what? Zygote by union of sperm and ovum is called as fertilization. Sperm and ovum unite and forms a zygote, जिसको हम लोग fertilization बोलते हैं. Formation of zygote by union of sperm and ovum is called as fertilization. Right? Now, journey of sperm. Sperm travels through root of vagina, reaches to the uterus and then goes to the oviduct where it is fertilized. Okay, where it fertilizes. You see, one of those few million sperm fertilizes only ovum present in the oviduct. Okay, now sperm travels from what? Travels by the root of vagina, travels through the root of vagina, enters the uterus, and from uterus it goes to the oviduct. Here in the oviduct it fertilizes one ovum. Okay, present in the oviduct. From the age of puberty up to menopause. Now what is the age of puberty? 10 to 17 years is the age of puberty. And what is the age of menopause? 45 to 50 years is the age of menopause. An ovum is released every month from ovary. From 10 to 17 years up to 45 to 50 years, an ovum is released from ovary, okay, every month. Out of 2 to 4 million ova, approximately only 400 oocytes. कितने ओवम्स होते हैं? 2 to 4 million ovum. Okay, out of 2 to 4 million ovum, only 400 oocytes are released up to the age of menopause, and remaining oocytes undergo degeneration, means they decline. Okay, see this, oocytes released from ovary during last few months nearing the age of menopause are 40 to 50 years old. The ability of division has been diminished till now. Due to this, they cannot complete the meiotic division properly. If such oocytes are fertilized, the newborn produced from them may be with some abnormalities like Down syndrome. Now what does this mean? See, if at the age of menopause, 40 to 50 years, if at the age of menopause, if fertilization takes place, if this ovum, menopause, at the age of menopause, if ovum get fertilized, then what happens? The newborn or the new child which is born will have some abnormalities like Down syndrome. Okay, which is the chromosomal abnormality. Now see, the chromosome, do you know this? The chromosome number in germ cell producing the gametes are diploid. Diploid means they are double in number, 2n, that is 2n. That includes 22 pairs of autosome and 1 pair of sex chromosome. Okay, in male and female there are 22 pairs of autosome and 1 pair of sex chromosome. there are 22 pairs of autosome. You already know this, that male contains XY chromosome and female contains XX chromosome, right? But it has 22 pairs of autosome. Okay, 22 autosomes plus X chromosome and 22 autosomes plus Y chromosome. ये होता है in males. Okay, and in females 22 autosomes plus X chromosome and again 22 autosomes plus X chromosome, which becomes what? 44 autosomes and 1 sex chromosome. The cells divides by meiosis. Due to this, gametes contains only haploid n number of chromosome, that is 22 plus X or 22 plus XY. Okay, so after meiosis, the chromosome will have only haploid number, that is 22 number X, 22 autosome plus X or 22 autosome plus Y. Two types of sperms are produced, that is XY. Okay, whereas oocytes produce of only one type, that is X. Sperms are of XY type and oocyte is only of X type. Both sperm and oocytes are produced by meiosis. In cases of sperm, process of mitotic division is completed before the sperm leaves the male reproductive tract. Okay. However, in the cases of oocytes, process of meiotic division completes after ovulation. We will discuss ovulation in menstrual cycle. Okay, during fertilization in oviduct. See, sperm and ovum both are produced by meiosis. In cases of sperm, meiotic division is completed before sperm leaves the male reproductive tract. And in cases of oocytes, process of meiotic division completes after ovulation. Ovulation क्या है वो हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे when we will see menstrual cycle. Okay, see here in this diagram. Sperm contains what? 22 autosome plus X chromosome or 22 autosome plus Y chromosome, and oocyte contains what? 22 autosome plus X chromosome. If X chromosome of male and X chromosome of female meets, then there is a female child. This 22 autosomes and this 22 autosomes plus X chromosome and X chromosome, there will be a female child. And if Y chromosome of male and X chromosome of female meets, this 22 autosomes of male and 22 autosomes of female will become 44, and Y chromosome of male and X chromosome of female will give birth to a boy child. Okay. So students, please do like the video. If you have any doubts or queries, you can ask in the comment section. Please share the video and also do subscribe Abhyas with the Professor. Thank you.